Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with folding envelopes by Riffclown. So this is puzzle number 401, and by tradition, Riffclown does every 50. So he did the first puzzle, the very first Sudoku adventure was by Riffclown, and then 51, 101, 151, etc. So here is 401. It's been a long time, and Riffclown has made this one as well. So let's go over the rules. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules, which means in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have these green lines in the grid. These are the thicker lines, in case you can't tell the difference between the colors. So the thicker green lines are German whisper lines. Any adjacent digits on the line have to have a difference of at least 3. So if this was a 6, this needs to be at least 3 away from 6. So it could be a 3, it could be a 2, it could be a 1. And that's true of every pair of adjacent digits on these German whisper lines. Additionally, we have this singular thin blue line, and that is a region sum line. So what you do is you split up the region sum line by which boxes it occupies. So let's just use purple, orange, and blue to demonstrate this, because the orange cells are in the same box, the purple cells are in the same box, the blue cells. So you sum up the digits that it touches within each box, and those sums will be the same. So the purple sums to the same as the orange, sums to the same as blue. And that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. Well, these 3 digits sum to a singular digit that goes 3 here. If this was the smallest it could possibly be, 1, 2, 3, that would already add to 6, which is our max digit. So that's a 6. That's a 1, 2, 3. These add to 6, which is either 1, 5 or 2, 4. But the 5 is gone. And the 4 is gone from here. So this has to be 2, 4 like that. So that's not a 2. 2 ends up in one of these two. These are from 4, 5, 6. The 6 is placed. The 5 is placed. The 4 is placed. Nice, because we had this 4 here, this 6 here. So now let's actually think about this. These are from 1, 3, and 6. So the 6 is placed. Now, this can't be a 3 because 3 can only be next to 6. The only digit that's 3 away from 3 is the 6. And this is a 5 here. So this has to be a 1. That's a 3. Next to the 6, yeah, this is just a 1, 2, 3, but next to the 6 has to be a 1, 2, or 3. Now 3 doesn't actually work. It does work against this one, but what's this going to be? Can't be a 6, and that's the only digit that can go next to 3. So this ends up not a 3, and then this ends up a 4 or a 5. Now 4 also doesn't work for the similar reason. 4 can only get next to 1. We could put a 1 here, but then what do we put here? Another 1? Not going to work. So this ends up a 5. 5 can't be next to 3, so this is a 1 or a 2. It can't be a 1, so that's 2, that's 1. That places the 2 in this box. All right, this is a 3. This is a 4. Okay, so now this has to be a high digit. That's at least 3 away. It has to be at least 3 away from 2, which is going to be a high digit. Can't be 4 or 6, so that's a 5. 5 is going to be next to a 1 or 2. Can't be a 2, so that's a 1. Gives us the 3 and the 1 here. This has to be a large digit. The only large digit left is 6. And I think it's just going to be plonking digits now. So we end up with a 1 here for the box. This is a 2, 6 pair. So we know that's the 2, that's the 6. This digit, let's see. The box needs 2, 3, 4. So this is only 2, 3. These are from 2, 3, 4. That's not a 2. This is also 2, 3, 4, but not a 2. So 3, 4. This is also 3, 4. Oh, this is done. This is a 6. These are 3, 5. The x's can't be 3, so that's 5 and 3. Gives us the 4, the 2, and the 3, the 4, and the 3. This is a 1, and then up here we need 2 and 5. They go like that, and we're done. Nice and smooth. Easy way to break in here with the region sum line, and then the German whisper is just kind of completed in the circles, so that was neat. Thank you, Riffclown, for the puzzle. Thank you for being consistent in our traditions here, even though I broke it from yesterday's puzzle. I was not able to set puzzle 400, but hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.